In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a meeting on Outlook private in just 5 minutes. Keeping your meetings confidential is essential, whether you're discussing sensitive topics or simply prefer privacy. I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your meetings are seen only by those you choose. So let's dive right into it and head over to Outlook. First, you need to visit the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL bar. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you use your Outlook account information to log in. It's always a good idea to double check that you're entering the correct email address and password to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Outlook inbox. This is where you manage all your emails. However, today we're focusing on calendar events, so click on the calendar option. You can usually find this in the menu bar right next to the mail icon. The calendar is where you can see, schedule and manage all your meeting events. Now that you're in the calendar, you have the option to either create a new meeting or edit an existing one. If you're setting up a new meeting, you would typically click on the new event or a similar button. But for this video, let's assume you already have a meeting scheduled that you'd like to make private. So find that meeting in your calendar and click on it. It might be prominently displayed in your view depending on how your calendar is set up. Clicking on the meeting will open a more detailed view of the event. Here you'll find various options and details about the meeting, such as the meeting title, time, participants, and other settings. Look for the edit option. This is what allows you to modify the meeting details. Once you click on edit, you'll be in a position to adjust different settings for that meeting. With the edit screen open, you're now ready to make your meeting private. Look for a setting or option labeled private. This can typically be found in the top menu of the event details or sometimes under a drop-down menu, depending on the interface changes made by Outlook updates. Clicking on private will ensure that the details of your meeting are hidden from others who do not have permission to access them. It's as simple as that. Just one click can make all the difference in maintaining confidentiality. Making an event private is particularly useful in a corporate setting where you might not want everyone to see the details of certain meetings. Keep in mind that while the meeting is marked private, it might still be visible to some IT administrators if specific policies are in place, but that's often controlled at the organizational level. For most users, marking a meeting as private will suffice in keeping the details out of sight. After making your meeting private, remember to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the event window. Clicking this button will finalize your changes and update the meeting details in your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully marked a meeting as private in Outlook. This small but vital step helps maintain privacy and control over who sees your meeting details. As you continue to use Outlook for scheduling, you'll find this feature very handy. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Remember, keeping your meetings private is just one way to utilize Outlook's features effectively. If you have any questions or encounter any issues while following these steps, feel free to check the Microsoft support forums or reach out to their customer support for additional help. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.